Welcome to the Startup Funding Espresso. I'm Halti Martin, the host of this show where we talk about raising funding for your startup and the time it takes to have an espresso. I hope you enjoy this episode. Hello, this is Halti Martin with the Startup Funding Espresso, your daily shot of startup funding and investing. Investors in the startup space have a certain expectation for returns. Startups raising funding should keep in mind these expectations and only approach them if you have a deal that is in the game for it. Venture investors, including angels, venture capitalists, and limited partners, typically look for a 20 to 30% internal rate of return, or IRR, over a 5-year time horizon. This can also be expressed as a 2.5 to 4 times the original money invested. If it takes longer than 5 years, then investors will look for a 5 to 10x ROI to maintain a 20 to 30% IRR. Thank you for joining us for the Startup Funding Espresso, where we help startups and investors connect for funding. Let's go start something today. Halti Martin is the director of Investor Connect, which is a 501c3 nonprofit dedicated to the education of investors for early stage funding. All opinions expressed by Hall and podcast guests are solely their own opinions and do not reflect the opinions of Investor Connect. This podcast is for informational purposes only and should not be relied upon for the basis of investment decisions.